difficult to achieve your goals. One goal I struggled a lot with was writing a book. By using visualization, I was able to achieve this goal. Here is my best-selling book, Turn Your Happiness On. You can find it on Amazon or any other bookstore. I leave all the information in the description below. You can use visualization to achieve any goals. So in this video, we're going to talk about what is visualization, how Jim Carrey used visualization to make $10 million before becoming a famous actor, when to use visualization, and how to use it. All the timestamps are in the description below. What is visualization? It's looking at a picture in our mind. Most people use visualization without even knowing it. We visualize in our everyday life when we anticipate that a person will be friendly or unfriendly. Our boss will accept or reject our request. There will be or not a parking space. We will achieve our goal. Creating the life that we want starts with having a clear picture of the desired outcome and believing that we can create it. We have to see the goal as already achieved before we can start manifesting it. When famous comedian and actor Jim Carrey was trying to succeed in the entertainment business in 1985, he was broke. He used visualization to feel better while working hard on becoming an actor. Carrey wrote a blank $10 million check to himself and dated it for Thanksgiving 1995. He carried that check with him and looked at it every morning, visualizing himself receiving $10 million. Right before Thanksgiving 1995, he made that amount from the movie Dumb and Dumber. Here is how Jim Carrey tells it to Oprah.
I would visualize,
This is when you were broke and poor.
Right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, I like your work or whatever that is. And I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever.
This was in like 1987, 85?
Yeah. And I had nothing at that time, so it was like, but it just made me feel better. It made me, at that time, all it really was for me was kind of making me feel better. I would drive home and think, well, I do have these things, and they're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there.
Okay, so you would get this from what, self-help books or whatever?
Yeah, self-help section.
Self-help section.
They've renamed it the Jim Carrey wing.
So didn't you write yourself a check? I heard that you did. Is that true?
I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years maybe, and I dated it Thanksgiving 1995, and I put it in my wallet, and I kept it there, and it deteriorated and stuff, but then just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was going to make $10 million on, I think it was Dumb and Dumber, maybe.
Dumb and Dumber, yeah. So you visualize yourself like... Visualization works if you work hard.
Yeah. Well, that's the thing. You can't just visualize and then, go eat a sandwich.
When to use visualization. This strategy will take us from where we are right now to where we want to be. It will help us achieve our goals by seeing the desired future in our imagination. If there is any area of your life that you would like to change, use visualization to clearly see, smell, hear, and taste what the new situation would be like. Visualization is applicable to all aspects of life, but especially when changing careers, starting a business, confronting life fears or phobias, increasing exercise performance, reaching ideal weight goals. How to visualize. When we use visualization, our brain releases a chemical called dopamine. It's a neurotransmitter that is activated when we encounter certain stimuli linked to reward. It's the release of dopamine in the brain while visualizing success, love, and happiness that will help you focus on the desired outcomes. Visualization will inspire ideas and motivate you to look for opportunities that you otherwise may not have imagined. For example, if you get 2 or 3 new clients per week, you can visualize doubling that number. The following is what you need to do. 1. Clarify your goals. What would you like to achieve? 2. Anticipate the desired outcome and reward. 3. Remove any uncertainty that can sabotage your best efforts, such as lack of confidence, lack of experience, or self-limiting beliefs. 4. Visualization is a mental simulation. You need to cast the right emotion into the equation, like enthusiasm, pride, happiness, satisfaction, or positivity, and allow them to be ingrained in your inner self. 5. Visualization is not about fantasizing. It's about seeing and believing in what you want to achieve and seeing it to fruition in the real world. So now that you know how visualization works, let's go to a quiet place, relax, and focus on what you want to achieve. Visualize your goal as already achieved. Ask yourself, why do you want to achieve that goal? Why is the goal important to you? Imagine people around you congratulating you. Use all your senses to experience how you would feel once you achieved your goal. Focus on all the positive feelings and emotions that come from that experience. Repeat this every single day. What goal are you trying to achieve? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, remember to like, subscribe, and ring the bell button so you know every time I post a new video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.